Okay, should we try and toss it up there? Oh, that didn't work. Oh, close. Oh, almost. Oh, almost. Oh, we got it. Almost. Whoops. That wasn't very good, was it? Oh, almost. I was so close. Well, that wasn't very good. Okay, try that. Oh. Oh, Daddy got it. Help? Now the diaper's stuck up there. Should we try to lift Logan up there? Come here. Come here. Boing. Oh, it's way up there. It's way up there. Can you reach it? Can you reach it? That's way up there. Here, Daddy, try to get it. Okay, watch out. I can't get that one.
Turn fan on.
Yep. Well, no, it's not even on the blade.
Oh, there it is.
Yay!
I did it again.
You want to do it again?
I did it again.
You want to put it up there?
Put it up.
You hold it. Whoa! Put it up there. Put it up. Here, we'll just toss it. We'll just toss it. How about that? Whoa. What? Thing keeps spinning. I can't get it up there when it's spinning. Okay, let's try again. Oh, almost. Oh, so close. Fan. Whoops, that wasn't very good. Whoops. Up close. I'm trying. Up. Whoop, that wasn't very good. Oh, so close. Whoops, now we got stuck back up on top. Flying diaper.
Why don't you go throw those away, bud?
Yeah, let's go throw those away.
No.
Should we grab that one up there? Yeah, put those two down.